How to check someone's recent following on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you can just tap on this following list and here you can see it is sorted by default. Now if you want to check your own recent following, you can just tap on this arrow up and down button and here you can select the option of date followed latest. So as you do that, you can see the latest or the recent following on Instagram. Now if you want to check the recent following of someone else or some other profile, what you can simply do is tap on the search bar and let me just search for this particular person. Now select on the following. As I tap on following, here you can see there's no option of sorting out. So unfortunately, Instagram does not give this feature of checking someone else's recent following on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.